10 times 5 to the power 2011 over 10 to the power, let's see, 1,000. Okay. So the thing with these ones is, okay, this is now 10. This one is 10. This one can be 10. We can say 2 times 5. 2 times 5 is 10. And obviously, it's possible if you can, with these ones at 2010 and 2011, if you can make them the same. If you can say, let's rather write it as 2 to the power 2010 times 5 to the power 2010. Okay? And then I'm just going to take 1 5 out. Okay. And then this one I can actually, if I want to, I can do the same. Or I can leave it as 10 to the power 1000. Okay, so what I can do is I can say take 1 5 out. Then 5 to the power 2010 times 5 is obviously 5 to the power 2011. So it's the same. But now I got these two the same. Now I can combine them. And I can say 2 times 5 is 10 to the power 2010 times 5. And this one is 10 to the power 1000.
So 2 times 5 is 10, okay?
Yeah, so what I did is I said because they've got the same exponent, there's a rule that says if you got the same exponent, you can put it outside. And you can combine the 2 and the 5. So the 2 times the 5 gives you 10 because they've got the same exponent. That's the only way you can do it. So if they have the same exponent, you can do it like that. And now I can say, obviously, if I take the 1000 up, it's minus 1000. So it's going to be 10 to the power 2010 minus 1000, and then times 5. So the answer is 2 to the power 1010 times 5. Okay. Sorry, not 210. 10 to the power 1010. So now I just subtract it. Okay. That's one option. Yeah.
You answered right.
2 to 10 to the power 1010. Yeah, it should be fine. You can also separate them if you want to. You can also separate them. You can say this. You can say now I can say 10 is 2 times 5, both separately. Okay? 10, 2 to the power 1010, 5 to the power 1010 times 5. And then that gives you 2 to the power 1010 times 5 to the power 1011. Is that what you got? Yeah. So that's the one option. The other option is, this is a bit long, eh? The other option is to do this. I mean, it's nice about the exponents is you can always play around with it. With exponents, because there's so many exponent rules, you can sometimes decide which method you want to start with. But you should get to the right answer. So the other option is to say, okay, let's rather do this. Let's say 2 to the power 2010 times 5 to the power 2011 stays like that. Let's make this 10 2 times 5 to the power 1000. Okay. Then instead of trying to combine those two, we rather take the 10 and we split it up into 2 times 5. Is that what you did? Yeah. So then you can say 2 to the power 2010 times 5 to the power 2011 over, then you multiply it because it's to the power 1 and to the power 1. So 1 times 1000 gives you 2 to the power 1000, and then 1 times 1000 there gives you 5 to the power 1000. And now if you subtract it, it's going to be 2010 minus 1000, 1010, and then here 2011 minus 1000. Yes. Okay. Which is obviously, as you can see, it's a better method. Okay, so that was number 9. Let's stop there.